Hi, collective. Let's see what's going on. What's the energy? What's going on with the person on your mind? We have the Page of Pentacles. What's going on? We have the Death card coming up. And we have the Nine of Wands in reverse. And we have the King of Swords in upright. I think, you're going through a transition where you're understanding that you are putting someone on a pedestal. This person's weaknesses are something which are standing out in this connection. I'm picking up on someone's energy who was over analyzing a situation where you were trying to understand the good parts of the connection that you share with this person, and you finally came to this conclusion that you got the ick. Basically, you understood that you're putting someone on a pedestal because you don't know the entirety of the situation. It's like when you have a crush, you feel so infatuated by them, but also one of the reasons why you feel I'm sorry, you guys. You feel so infatuated with them is because you don't know the bad side of that person. You don't know their regular activities, how they deal with certain situations, and that's why I'm picking up on someone like that. I'm also picking up on someone who is in this energy where you are looking forward to a new beginning in your life, a new chapter in your life, but you're still in the ending phases of it. Like it's like the ending is being dragged, but it's for a good reason. Like for a very long time you have been feeling as if you are in this energy of letting go, releasing the past, and changing and transforming into something which is beneficial for you and your future relationships, your future persona. And that is the shift that you're going through. But in the process of doing that, I'm also picking up on someone who has just lost motivation after a spiritual awakening. Like, and this was something which was very intense. It happened very rapidly, because of which you now feel too, I would not say demotivated, but you feel too tired to engage in the day to day activities. Like, there's no ambition driving you. Like, you're losing interest in a lot of things. You're losing interest in a lot of situations because you're growing more and more detached, but also because you are seeing things for the way it is. Sometimes in your mind, you know how certain things are very important. Like, there are categories to it. Like, sometimes we feel that certain things are extremely important, you need to have them in your life to lead and live a certain way. And now you're realizing that your mind is just creating this illusion that those things are necessary, but in reality they might not be so necessary. Like, I'm picking up on someone who's getting a reality check, but not in a brutal, gruesome type of way, but in a way where you're losing interest from a lot of things, people, places, situations, and you're seeing them for the way it is. You're seeing the flaws, you're seeing the good, and you're very neutral to the emotion that you're feeling. Yeah. I'm picking up on someone who is, especially you see this person on your mind, like who's rapidly on your mind. Now you're looking at them as a person, You are not over glorifying them in your mind. You're just looking at them as a person who has flaws. And when you look at their flaws, I used the word ick earlier, but like more than ick, I'm picking up on someone who is just, how when you meet the celebrity that you wanted to meet and then you realize, oh, okay, I mean, something like that, but not in a way where it's negative or positive, but in a way where you're very neutral to this emotion. I'm also picking up on someone who is, actually, I'm picking up on someone who has lost the motivation after an intense, rapid spiritual awakening. Yeah. Like, maybe you were just too ambitious, you wanted to make a lot of money, you wanted to make a good living for yourself, but now you're realizing, even when I'm in the Page of Pentacles, things are just fine. I mean, I don't need to go through that um, roller coaster to reach to a status in my life where I wouldn't even be, if I, like, what the thought process that I'm picking up on is, someone is thinking in their mind that, if I'm going to be feeling this way, if relationships are going to feel this hard, if everything in my life, like, because problems are something which are going to come no matter what, but your perception and your ability to change, and your endurance is something which keeps on increasing if you do the self work and stuff like that. So I'm picking up on someone who is thinking things in a much more positive way, but not like woo woo positive or like woo woo optimism, but like very reality check, in like someone who is very in this grounded energy, and very positive, like someone who makes, let's say, £1,000 a month, and this person, now you're thinking that, I mean, £1,000 a month is much enough. It makes sense. You're feeling very satisfied, but it's not like you're gaslighting yourself. It's rather an emotion where you feel that I think I'm doing well for myself. Like, I don't need to be overly critical about the £1,000 that I already have. I'm picking up on someone whose mentality has shifted, and they don't feel the drive and the passion and the ambition that they used to feel for a very long time. Yeah, I think your person is also going through a similar situation in their life, but they might be dealing with it in a different way, because in your energy I'm feeling a very different type of calmness, like acceptance. But in their energy I'm picking up on disappointment, feeling rejected, feeling isolated. Yeah, this reading is kind of all over the place. Okay, let me check what's going on. What's going on? Can you give me more cards about the person on my collective's mind, please? Yeah, I think continuing the first part of the reading, you are seeing this person for the way they are. You're seeing this person, like let's say this person has much more money than you, or this person is good looking, this person has a lot of people around them, this person is socially very active, and now you're seeing them for the way they are. So what I mean by that is, it's not necessarily in a negative way, but in a way where you do see that, okay, they might have a lot of problems, sorry, they might have a lot of money, but that money comes with problems, that money comes with a lot of people that depend on them, and they are responsible for it. So in a way it's a headache. So you're seeing things in a more realistic way, rather than in a way where you over glorify them in your mind. That's what I'm picking up on. Yeah. What stands out for me in this reading is, like, amazing level of acceptance. Like, the level of acceptance that you have reached, it's just brilliant. Like, I think you are finally living in the present. Like, most of the times you're just living in the present moment because of this. Like, it has become a gift for you, just accepting the situation for the way it is, and if it changes for the good, it's good, but if it doesn't change for the bad, like, if it doesn't change, it stays stuck or something like that, you actually do not care. And nothing about this reading is performative. Something about this reading is just, I don't need that woo woo things, I just don't need to be perfect or the most successful, or someone who has a lot of riches, wealth, luxury. Yeah, I might get it at some point in my life, but right now I think I'm okay. I'm picking up on someone like that, and it has brought you closer to your innermost self. Like, this emotion, this journey has brought you so close to your innermost self that you feel at home. Like, the reading started with a disappointing turn of events in life, but awkwardly, or like funnily enough, you feel at home because of this situation, or like this disappointment which has happened in your life. Yeah, because now you feel like the all of it's a mess, and now I get the chance to do something all over again, so I can change the style of it. I can do it in a different way. That's what I'm picking up on. I think, like, I'm picking up on someone who was in this mindset that they are craving balance in their life. They were craving balance for so long, and now someone has just like given up. that it's never going to be balanced. So let me enjoy this roller coaster ride. Maybe sometimes I'll be, on the higher side of the roller coaster. Sometimes I might be on the lower side of the roller coaster, something like that. Someone has become extremely acceptant of the situations that are unfolding and the way they are unfolding. I do see a shift in the energy, and there was a Two of Cups as well, and there's a Ace of Wands here, and there's a Ten of Cups here. I think, you know what, like, weirdly enough, this situation is pushing you to see the relationship for the way it is, like, not in a extravagant, dreamy, love, intense relationship, but in a way where it's a human, flawed relationship. And that's a brilliant feeling to, have. You're understanding that a human, flawed relationship which is authentic, that's what I want, because that's how things are unfolding in my life. Yeah, I'm picking up on intense changes. So, in the coming 2 months, you're gonna experience a lot of shifts in this energy. This energy is going to transform and change for the better. But with those 2 months, there's going to be a lot of clarity here. You might also start a new project, and you might also feel the need to quit a few more things, cut out a few more people from your life and move on from situations that are not serving you. Maybe, there are certain things in your life which you need to let go of, and like physically as well. Maybe the old clothes, there are just things in your life which do not belong anymore. Yeah, that's all I see for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next reading. Bye bye.